over GE. 3P, do you remember? First P, slash, second P, and third, offers. Ladies and gentlemen, I love the way that our speaker did a great job on 5 letters. Guess what? 5 letters. Number 1, about time. T, letter T is about time management. Good at balancing from delivering, asking the audience. And notice the time. It's done with effectively. And another one is about letter C, content and structures. Content and structures here, he understands about his project very well and provide a real experience when he attended PUC campus there about training, right? Training for higher trainer level, right? And also how structuring course. And letter A about audience awareness. Develop with the right audience to cooperate us answer the question and also participate or like pay attention to his speech delivery. And also another letter is about letter H, handle challenging. We bring with the challenges that when he was in training at a time, how can deal with that, and also during delivering. And letter D, the last one is about delivery and confidence. Everyone, our speaker has a confidence?
Yes. Yes.
Has eye contact?
Yes.
Body gesture?
Yes.
Of course. For another humble suggestion to our speaker consider on the next level, it's about letter O. Letter O. Reflection. I want to know about after you training for the first time with the higher trainer, what did you learn from that? All in all, our speaker did a great job. Here, big round of applause. Bring you with the 5 letters. The first one is time management. Letter C, content and structures. Letter A, audience awareness. Handle and challenges delivery. And for humble suggestion, letter O, reflection. Over to you, our GE.